Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix when an error occurred that says could not find recovery environment windows in environment in Windows 10. Okay, so let's get started. So here in our Windows search tab, please click on it and then type CMD. Now under best match, please click or make a right click with command prompt and then click on run as administrator, and then this user account control window will be up on our screen. Just click on yes and this black window will be up. So in here all we need to do is just type for reagency /enable. It's reagency /enable. It's REAGENTC /ENABLE, and then click on OK. And once this says that, or the moment you do it and it will say the operation is successful, then all we need to do here is just restart your PC. And then once done and you still have issues, then the next thing that we can do is to create a recovery drive. So what you're going to need is a flash drive or a USB drive. And how can we create a recovery drive? So just follow these few simple steps. The first thing you need to do is to go to your search bar, and in here type create recovery. So under best match, please click on it, and then another user account control window will be up on our screen, so just click on yes. And in here all you need to do is just plug in the device, and once you plug your drive, and then once you plug in your drive, you can now click on next, and then make sure that you check this backup system files to the recovery drive. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, or if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.